Conference management system. The system manages the end to end process of research conference. It allows candidates to submit papers, reviews their to evaluate them, and the systems or database to track the status. The goal of is to automate the manual paperwork involved in academic conference. Uh, is this is this use case diagram? And in use case diagram we are using the elements as actors. Actors are the candidates and reviewer and database. In use cases such that draw at oval shape, that is login, paper submission, review the paper confirmation details, revised and paper submission and registration. The system boundary, it defines what is the inside the our software and what is the outside of the actors. The lines are the associations to show which actors performers to specific task. Then next is the class diagram. Class diagram elements are have the rectangles with three sections. The first section contains a name, the class name, and second section contains attributes, and third section contains methods. It shows the static structures of the class diagram, and class diagram shows the data structures. For example, the paper classes attributes like title and author, and methods like upload and delete. This is what our conference management systems have: the candidate to log in and submit the paper and registration successful in a candidate, and the reviewer have paper review and confirmation details to send the candidate, and these are all the things stored in a database, that is the code verification and reviewer accessibility. This is the class diagram of conference management system. Next, sequence diagram of the conference management system. This is the sequence diagram, and elements contains the vertical dashed lines. This is the lifelines, and activation boxes. This is the activation box. Then messages. The arrows are the messages. Then why sequence diagram is to show how the object communicate with over time, that is the sequentially. When a candidate clicks the submit, the request go through the web server, which then saves the files in the database. It shows the step by step timings of event. This is the collaboration diagram. In collaboration diagram focuses on organization and links. In rectangles, these rectangles are the objects, that is candidate, login, database, and submit. These are reviewer. These are all the objects, and actors are stick figure, that is the human or external systems initiates the interaction, and link. These links are represent the relationship between the objects, and arrows with a number. These are the messages. It converts the messages to enter the username and password and verification process. This used in a arrow. Then collaboration diagram is the highlight the structural relationship between the objects, while the sequence diagram shows the things happen, and this diagram shows which objects are connected, and numbering on the arrows to clearly define the order of operations, showing exactly how the candidate request to travels and systems to travels through the systems to the database.